I have clients ask me, they want to have friends over after work, not really to serve them dinner. How do they do it? What do they do? And I tell them, let's entertain Italian style. Aperitivo. Apero means to open. Open your stomach. Get it ready for dinner. This is not dinner. These are snacks before dinner. Italians buy things that are in the market fresh right then. That means melon. That means figs for right now, this time of year. They love potato chips. So there's always chips, olives, pretzels, and of course, my favorite cocktail, an Aperol Spritz. But a couple of rules. Invite everybody. The more, the merrier. Italians love to have friends over. It's really the communication and the community, much less about the alcohol. Little bits, a few sips, more talking. You know how Italians are, a lot with the hands. Do that, invite the kids. Biggest rule, put your cell phones away. Have fun with your friends. And now, you can entertain Italian style.